Welcome back for writing. We've been working with the 4 types of sentences. If you would like to get out your foldable from that green folder that never goes home that has the 4 types of sentences, go ahead and get that out now. Today, I'm going to put some sentences on this board and you're going to try to guess what type of sentence it is based on the clues that they give you. We'll do a few together and then I'll let you try a few of them on your own. The first sentence is, "Are you ready to go?" There's no punctuation at the end, so I have to figure that out. So I look at the clue words, "are you?" I know they're asking me a question, so that has to be an interrogative sentence. Let's move this and see if we're correct. Good job. The second sentence, "Atlanta is the capital of Georgia." It doesn't start with any questions like who, where, when, why, how, or are, so I know it's not a question. So I know it has to end with a period. It's just giving me information. So that has to be a declarative sentence. Let's look at the next time. "I can't believe the Falcons lost the game." It didn't start with any of those key words, so I know it's not a question mark. But they're talking about a game. And sometimes a lot of people get very into a game. So I'm going to think that it's exclamatory. Yeah, I can hear someone saying, "I can't believe the Falcons lost the game." So I knew that it had to be an exclamation mark. The next one is, "Take me out to the ball game." There's no clues for the question mark, but it's telling me to do something. Take me somewhere. So that has to be a command. So it's going to have a period at the end, and it's going to be an imperative sentence. So I'm going to read a sentence and see if you can figure it out. It's okay if you need to use your cheat sheet at first. "Where did I leave my wallet?" I'm going to give you a moment to figure this one out. Do you have it? Where did I leave my wallet? You should have said that it is an interrogative sentence because it started with a keyword of where. It would end with a question mark. Let's look at the next one. If my computer would work with me. There we go. "I lost my wallet at the concert." Go ahead and see if you can figure this one out yourself. I lost my wallet at the concert. You should have said that it was a declarative sentence. Someone was just telling you where they lost their wallet. It should have ended with a period. Now let's look at the next one. It's kind of like the one just before, but this time it adds, "Oh my gosh, I lost my wallet at the concert." What type of question and punctuation do you think it is? It should have been imperative. Someone was probably saying, "Oh my gosh, I lost my wallet at the concert." If they were showing a lot of emotion, you could even put an exclamation mark point here or just a period because an imperative sentence uses both of them. Let's try another one. "Please leave your boots at the door." What type of sentence do you think this is? They started with please. That should have been my hint that they were really giving me a command, so that's imperative. This one would end with a period. "Hooray, I passed the math test." Did you come up with the right sentence? It is an exclamatory sentence. I could hear one of you saying, "Hooray! I passed my test." So it would end with an exclamation mark. Let's try another one. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. You're right, that's from the Monopoly game, but what type of sentence is it? You should have said imperative. They're giving a command to you. They're telling you, do not go past go and do not collect $200. That one would have ended with a period. We're going to spend some time now on Schoology practicing the different types of sentences because next week you are going to have a test on the type of sentences and you won't be able to use your foldable. So as you get to playing these games today, if you feel comfortable, put that foldable away and put it in that folder that never goes home so that way we can use it again later for our DLR sentences. And you're going to now go into Schoology. Let me show you. I went into Schoology. I went into my writing course or language arts. Friday's writing lesson was where you found this video. And down below out here are all of these different types of games that you can play. There's a types of sentences, rags to riches. There's a Quia game. There's a Jeopardy game. Or if you feel up to it, try taking a sentences quiz to see how you would do on the types of sentences without your foldable. Good luck with this, and I can't wait to see how good you are at finding the different types of sentences next week during our quiz. Don't forget, play a game, try your best, and eventually put your foldable away so that way you can learn and memorize these sentences on your own. I'll see you later.